EAG's IT outsourcing team specializes in simplifying IT, resulting in saving organizations time and money. One of the ways we do this is through our IT rationalization approach, which involves analyzing your existing IT portfolio of applications, systems, and infrastructure to identify redundancies, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. It helps in prioritizing IT investments and determining which assets should be retired, consolidated, or replaced. IT rationalization is a continuous process rather than a one-time event. As technology evolves and business needs change, EAG's IT outsourcing team regularly assesses and optimizes clients' IT landscape to stay aligned with their goals and remain competitive. Most IT service providers force you into their service model to increase their own margins without considering what your company needs. We simplify IT. Contact us to learn more.